Hi. Hi?
Good news, your head injury isn't fatal, but we took some scans of your brain and it appears that you can speak the human language now but are unable to vocalize in bird. My guess is that you absorbed human language over time in this city, but the injury disrupted the part of your brain that controlled bird speech. Your other injuries are fine though, they should heal in a month or two. By the way, this is for you. Do you have insurance? Actually, do you have any legal documentation at all? We couldn't find anything on you.
Carry the 2. I'm gonna be in debt for the next 20 years.
Hey,
Hey,
it's been a while. You want to hang out this weekend?
sure.
Alright, see ya.
Hi. Just some random bird.
Go away, bird. We want the one that speaks English.